Well, hello friends. I am here in Old Town today. I heard there was some music. It's going to be happening, so thought I'd come. Even though it's a very miserable, windy day. It's a great day to stay in and sip a little tea or coffee, watch a movie. But no, I got to get out in this junk. Oh well, anything to get my video done and to get it out to you, and hopefully you enjoy it. Maybe a video about wind and walking around Old Town, but that's okay too. Let's go. It's cold and windy. Oh my gosh. My hat's loose. It's already fallen off twice. Well, I tightened my hat up a little bit, so that'll help. I'm not kidding, it's like ice cold. My fingers are freezing like it's the middle of winter. What is going on here? Well, let's see if we can get out of the wind a little bit over here. This little plaza. Seems like the winds are out of the west, so hopefully. So nice to get out of that wind. I like to pretend I'm just a visitor here and just walk around like a tourist. Always finding new things. I spoke too soon. That wind is whipping through here too. Just can't get away from it. Even inside you can feel it pushing you around and making all that noise. Bigfoot back here is banging against all the metal. Oh, here's the music. Hello. I was his only audience. I was the only one dumb enough to sit there in that freezing wind. Ducking in this Guatemalan store real quick, get out of the wind and the cold. Nice little break here from the wind. Kind of nice. What's back here? A little hidden area. Never seen that before.
calm. Meanwhile, back at the ranch.
Well, that's going to do it for today's video, my friends. Nice walk around, just nice to get out of the house. Now I'm going to go home and try to get warm. Thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed our stroll through the very windy and cold Old Town. Saw a couple new things. As always, we always discover new things. And just a pleasant little excursion. Hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.